Kalakwachero, kalakwachera, samahan nyo kami. We're going to um, La Roche here in Belgium. Come and join us. Ayan, kalakwachero, kalakwachero, we're passing the mountain from the highway on the way supposed to Luxembourg. We decide to pass by here in La Roche. As you see, this is a beautiful place actually here in by the Ardennes in Belgium. La Roche is in the Ardennes, is in the middle of a lot of mountains here in Belgium. It's so beautiful, and we will show it to my mom. So come and join us. We will show this to my mother dear. First time ni mother dear dito sa Belgium. Ayan. Kaya picture. So that's the La Roche Cathedral and Vela also. And nakita nyo may lake dito. Nice ha. Ganda ng La Roche Cathedral. That's not a cathedral, it's just a church, sorry. But it's a nice view over here. Ayan, first time ni mother dear dito sa Belgium. Kaya ipinasbay namin siya dito. It's beautiful here, diba? At tuwang-tuwa naman ang mother ko. Ang dami-dami niyang posing. Ayan, at medieval bar actually itong place na to. So, meron din pa rito mga canyon-canyon. Ayan o, ang ganda ng mga view. At this is the first place na nakarating si mother sa Belgium, sa La Roche by the Ardennes. Ayan o, may canyon pa. At may mountain, Apu daw. Look, yung kanilang soil, yellow, parang po, diba? Oh, kaya tuwan-tuwa si Madir. At si Yaya Wella. Ayan. Naku mama, makamakanyon ka dyan. O, diba? So, this is the city center, the center of La Roche by the Ardennes. Ayan yung kanilang canyon na pinanlaban sa gera during the World War II. O, ingat-ingat, mamaya nasagasaan ka niyan. O, diba? Ang tanker. So, maliit yung city, yung town ng La Roche, but it's a lot of historical history in this place. Oh, ayan, naglambitin pa si Mother sa tanker. O, diba? At tuwan-tuwa si Mother ko. Ayan, masagasaan ka dyan, mama, ha? Ingat ka. Naku. O, si Wela, o. Itulak mo nga, anak. O, ayan, yung mga ginamit pa nila noong sila'y nakipaglaban. At ito naman yung simbahan. We're going to the church. At meron din simbahan dito, syempre. At if it is open, papasok kami sa loob. Ayan, open ang loob ng simbahan. So, magpre-pray muna at magpapasalamat. At sa wakas, narating din ng nanay ko to at nadala ko rin ng nanay ko dito. Maraming salamat po, Panginoon. Thank you po sa lahat ng biyaya at lagi niyo po kaming gabayan sa aming paglalakbay. Maraming salamat po sa lahat at lagi niyo rin pong gabayan ang aming mga mahal sa buhay na hindi namin kasama. Ngayon, thank you, Lord Jesus. Thank you so much for everything. Salamat po. Maraming salamat. At ito ang labas ng simbahan. Ayan, palabas na kami. At, ayan, iiwanan na namin ang La Roche. Pero, picture muna. Ayan, hindi pa kami nagsawa sa picture. O, diba? Ang daming picture. Para maraming memories. May po. Ayan, o. Yak, ano ba yan? Po, picture ng po. Nakakatuwa, oh. At dito makikita mo yung castle actually. Dito sa place na to, you will see the ruined castle of La Roche. Yung ruined castle nila. So, ito yun. May lake overlooking the castle. That is the castle. O, diba? Ang ganda. Overlooking, we're in the overlooking place. Bago namin iwan si La Roche, doon sa baba, yung center nila, at dito kami. Ayan, ayun ang kanilang ruined castle. Goodbye for now, La Roche. Ayan, Thank you so much for your beautiful view. Maraming salamat. So this is La Roche by the Ardens. As you see, it's surrounded a mountain here by the Ardens. So this is La Roche in Belgium, the first Belgium city na naka-step down si Mother Dear ko. So we're on the way now again to Luxembourg. Pupunta na kami Luxembourg, Calaquachero. Kaya samahan nyo kami at maglalakwatsa tayo. Pupunta naman tayo sa Luxembourg. Ayan, ang haba-haba ng daan. Parang walang katapusan, di ba?